Himanshu, Tom here from Budget and Kilburn Cars in Manukau. Thank you very much for your email inquiry in regards to one of our Toyota Aqua cars we have here. Plenty to choose from, as you can see. Got about 130 of these Aquas in stock. We'll catch you later on today. Absolutely no worries there at all. If you come in tomorrow, ask for Olivia and she'll show you the vehicles we've got here as well. Now this is not the L spec. The L spec is more like... where is one? Okay, over here. You see the coloured seats there, it's kind of what we call the panda seats. Got the white body, the black neck, white face. That's the L spec. Has manual back windows, no height adjustment in the driver's seat. Still got 4 out of 5 safety and 6 out of 6 fuel economy rating, but this is the S spec, next level up, best value for money spec you can get. Has all 4 automatic windows, has long life transfer, long life coolant, height adjustable driver's seat, telescopic steering wheel as well, keyless entry on both sides, tinted rear windows, brand new rims and tyres on all 4 corners. Very nice vehicle. These are wicked, so cheap in gas. Same size fuel tank as a Suzuki Swift. Oh, and heated seats. So same size tank as a Suzuki Swift, but more fuel economy, and more powerful, and more reliable, and safer. All the best, mate. Take care. Nice rest spoiler there, and I'm hoping we can sort something out for you. You've got multifunction steering wheel. These are push button start, and there's a height adjustable driver's seat lever there as well. All the best, and take care. See you, Himanshu.